Education Minister Favour Williams says the Public Services Commission, PSC, has not yet submitted a report on its decision regarding the future of Embattled Chief Executive Officer of the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, Rosalie Gage Gray. Our news team was informed that the PSC arrived at a unanimous decision during its deliberations earlier this week. But speaking on the morning agenda on Power 106, Minister Williams said she is still awaiting the decision.
The Public Service Commission, I understand, is still completing their deliberation, and I'm here still waiting to hear the conclusion of that deliberation. Today's Friday, where we have a new week that we're looking at, and I'm hoping that we hear something in the coming week.
The Ministry of Education invited the Public Services Commission to probe Mrs. Gage Gray's conduct after accusing her of disobeying instructions from the minister to sever ties with founder of the US-based charity Embracing Orphans, Carl Robansky. Robansky has been sanctioned in the US for exchanging sexually inappropriate messages with a minor. Following an investigation into the relationship between the Child Protection and Family Services Agency and Robansky, the Office of the Children's Advocate found that Mrs. Gage Gray failed in her duty to care towards of the state.